What's up, fangirls and fanboys? This is Ruth and welcome back to a Fangirl Smart channel. So as you can see, yan, nakangiti na naman po tayo kasi meron na naman tayong bagong i-unbox na item. So if you have watched my previous video about unboxing 17's Season's Greetings, I've mentioned there na may isa pa akong Season's Greetings na paparating and yon ay ang sa The Boyz! So if you're wondering where I got this from a Twitter seller. Actually, hindi ata siya shop, pero nag-o-offer siya ng mga group orders. Yeah, ililink ko na din lang below kung kanino ko nabili yung Season's Greetings na to. So, since medyo matagal nga dumating yung Season's Greetings, syempre, nakakakita na ako ng mga previews nung Season's Greetings, lalo na doon sa mga naka-fast ETA. Actually, nagulat ako kasi medyo madami-dami siyang photo cards dito. And namumblema na naman ako ngayon kasi saan ko ilalagay yung mga photo cards na to kasi wala na akong sleeves ng photo cards. So, kailangan ko na naman bumili. Pero excited na ako makita siya. And excited na ako mahawakan yung mga laman ng Season's Greetings. So, ayun. So, hindi na natin patatagalin pa ito. And we'll go with the unboxing! Ito na yung Season's Greetings. These are some freebies from the seller. Gabi, diba? Sobrang daming freebies ni seller. Like, sobrang dami. This is a photo print and all member siya. So, I love it. Thank you so much for this. Meron pa, this is also a freebie from the seller. Magagamit ko siya, pantali ng buhok ko. This one is another freebie from the seller. It's a photo print. So, check lang natin ulit. Tignan nyo, Merry Christmas pa siya kasi last year ko pa siyang in-order. Pero, yan, syempre, dahil normal eto lang tayo, this, lang dumating. So, yan, ito yung freebies din from seller. This one, I got this from her then. This is Sonu Maverick naman. This is actually a Prio photo card. So, since binibenta na din naman niya, edi bilhin na natin. Ayan, sobrang safe niya dumating. Start na tayo with the unboxing of the Season's Greetings. This is the Everline POV. Once you ordered from Everline, makakakuha ka ng one set of photo cards. And yan. So, tingnan natin isa-isa. Uy, in fairness, ang ganda ng quality ng photo card. Makapal siya. And this is the back. Medyo dikit-dikit lang siya, pero ang ganda. Like, of all the photo cards, nagagandahan ako sa kanya. This is the Everline POVs. Tignan mo naman. And, like, sobrang, ang ganda ng quality niya. Bet ko talaga yung quality nito. So, it's funny, pero ganyan talaga ako magbukas ng plastic. Kasi, baka pwede pa siyang ibalik sa plastic. Anyway, so yun na. Let's open this. Ang ganda ng box. Like, ang tibay niya. Pwede pang palo. Ganun. Oh my gosh. Ito na siya. Yan. 2022 Athlete Club. And then, yan. Yan yung color. Ang cute ng color niya. So, this, I think, andito yung mga photo cards na yung ibang inclusions. So, let's open this first kasi ito yung una natin nakuha. This is a pouch. Yan. The Boyz pouch. Oh my gosh, ano kaya ilalagay ko dito? Let's go with the next one. For this Season's Greetings, wala naman siyang mga random things. So, carry lang. Open na lang natin. This is another set of photo cards. Ang ingay talaga ng aso sa labas. Anyway, this is another set of photo cards. Ganda talaga ng quality ng photo cards. Like, sobrang Bet ko yung photo cards na to. Yan no, di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang daming photo cards. Anyway, let's check this one. Ito naman yung isa pang set ng photo cards. So, sa likod, yan, this is how it looks like at the back. This is the third set of photo cards. And then, the fourth set of photo cards. Actually, this is more of, hindi siya talaga photo card, but more of parang calendar. Yung mini calendar, yung wallet calendar. Kasi meron siya at the back na ganyan. So, more of wallet calendar. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, yan. Yung parang calendar talaga sa complete set hanggang December. Yan. Oh my gosh, finally I got a full group photo card. Tapos na tayo dito, wala na yung laman tong box na to. Next one, this one. This is a diary. This diary actually reminds me of sa Day 6 na diary. I guess yung second na si Greetings ng Day 6. Ito, yan, may pocket din siya dito. Or pwede mo ilagay din yung photo card. So, check lang natin yung loob niya. Yan. So, may yearly plan. And then, may photos. Natakal, may photos ng members. So, parang sa umpisa, more of naging photo book siya. Oh my gosh, I love this. Kasi medyo malaki-laki nga din siya. Yan. So, that's how it looks like. And then, may parang weekly task. Yan. So, that's it. So, more of planner lang talaga siya. Hindi pala siya diary. More of planner. So, this is how the planner looks like. The next one is, I don't know what this one is. Sorry, joke lang. Ano ba to? Okay. Wait a minute. Meron pa pala. We forgot this one. I forgot this one. Sabi ko parang may kulang eh. This is the photo ID. Naalala ko lang siya because of this one. Anyway, let's open the photo ID. So, compared with 17's photo IDs, ito cut na siya. Sa wakas. Hindi na ako magka-cut. Yung sa 17 kasi kinut ko pa siya. Anyway, yan. Yung sa photo IDs ng 17, I made this. Yung, ginawa ko siyang parang photo card and that's how it looks like. Ayun. Pero kinut ko pa kasi siya. Ayan. So, yun lang. So, I'll probably do something like this then for the Boyz photo ID. Anyway, going back to this one, this is parang information sheet. And I love it. Ang ganda ng quality. So, this is for Sangyeon. Let's move on with the next one. This one is a sticker sheet. Naka-kiss-cut naman yung sticker sheet. Although, hindi ko naman talaga gagamitin itong stickers na to. Or probably, I'll use it to design this one kasi medyo plain nga siya. So, baka dito ko na lang gamitin yan. Next one is the calendar. So, this is how the calendar of the Boyz looks like. Yung sa 17, yung pataas siyang ganun. Pero dito, pahiga siya. So, let's check it. This one first. Ito muna. Okay, so dalawa siya. Dalawa siyang ganito. So, ooh. So, ganyan pala siya. So, example, sa January, si Sang yun. Tapos, move mo lang. Tapos si Jacob. See it. Later natin i-check yung sa likod. Kita ko muna itong mga nandito. Tapos, nakalagay din dito yung birthday. So, new birthday. For example, kung gusto mo, Pogojo yun. Oh, ganun lang. Pero, syempre, ano natin, remember. Okay, let's check the other side naman. So, yan. So, at the back. So, at this side is photo. Then, this one is parang checklist. Pwede ka magsulat or something. Ayan. So, yun. Yun lang. This one is a poster. Full set na poster din. Oh my gosh, ang dami inclusions. Sobrang dami inclusions. Sobrang sulit. Parang siyang calendar na may mukha ng Koreano na may konting date. So, yan yung buong season's greetings. Tingnan naman kung gaano kasulit, lalo na sa mga photocard collectors. Ang dami talaga. Hindi ako nagsisisi na bumili ako. So, yeah, that's it. That's our unboxing for today. Di ba ang cool? Kasi lalo na kung photocard collector ka, sobrang sulit nitong season's greetings ng The Boyz. Kasi, imagine, 4 na photocards kasama yung POV per member. Wow! Ang dami, di ba? Tsaka gustong-gusto ko yung theme ng season's greetings ng The Boyz ngayon. More of sa sports, diba? Kasi parang club. So if you want to watch more of my unboxing videos, you can check out my channel. And madami tayong mga fangirling unboxing videos and some fangirling videos. I hope na you will also connect with me through my social media accounts. Follow me on TikTok kasi I also do contents on TikTok. Again, thank you so much. This is Ruth and annyeong!